Now we are really deep into the workflow. And from time to time you want to have the possibility to just select and collect images fast. And the tool for do this are collections, and in special targeted collections. So here in Lightroom you have the possibility to really add photos quickly to a collection via pressing the B key. Add to quick collection. Where's the quick collection? Open the catalog tab over here, or the catalog tool, and then you see quick collection, and I have one image. And if I want to send this over via email to the client, you can just send it and then delete it out of this quick collection. Just like this. Done. But there's more. Because you can add a new collection, and let's say I want to have a collection for squared images, and you want to have them on Instagram. So Instagram, I create a new collection, and you have the option to set as targeted collection. What's that? I leave this right now and create. And here you see that's an just normal collection. And when you look on the quick collection on the upper right of this folder or on the structure, then you see you have this plus over here. And this plus is a target. And when you go over here to this new created Instagram collection, make a right click, then you have the option to set as target collection. And when I press on this, you see I have the plus over here. And when I now go to any of this folder, let's say to this Tina folder or to a collection as well, you can just go on an image and press on the B key. And now you see the photo gets added to the Instagram target collection. I can also go to the full size, to the loop view, and press on B. And here in the grid view, you see this small donut icon. And you have this donut over here as well. And when you now press on this icon, I have added this image to my Instagram collection. And so you can really go fast through images and add them to a collection. In this case, I will just select these images over here, go to the develop model and just lift the lights up a little bit, the highlights down, so the exposure up, the shadows up as well, like this. Go back to the grid view and go to E for the loop view and just, let's add this with a B. Also in the develop model, so if I'm here right now and I want to add this image, for example, to the selection, to the target selection or collection, I can press on the B key, add to target collection. And when I now want to delete this image from my collection, you see you have the icon over here. You can press on B again, and now it's getting removed from the collection. And so you can really fast import the images or just send the images to a collection. And if you don't need it here on the Instagram collection, you can go to the quick collection by a right click and just say set as target collection, or take this really big shortcut, Command Option Shift and B. And now the quick collection is my target collection again. And just for the Instagram folder or collection, you now have to do the same as before with the black and white. Command A for all the images, then right click and go to create virtual copies, edit, invert selection, delete these images, Command A for all, R to go to the crop tool. Here you can go to one by one, then just select one image and say I want to have it like this. Via Command and right, you can go to the next image to the right, like this. Just make it a little bit smaller. Command right. Yeah, like so. Command and right. Upwards. Enter. G for the grid view. Command A, N. And now I have these 4 images squared in the Instagram collection, and I can export them when I'm ready to go. In this video you have seen how to work with target collections, and I promise you target collection will be your new friend from now on.